In the digital cosmos, a silent revolution is reshaping our world. Rivers of data flow through unseen channels. Entire industries are built on virtual foundations, and the very fabric of our connected lives is woven in the cloud. Today, we journey into the heart of this digital frontier to compare the 6 colossal powers that define cloud computing: Age of Use, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle, IBM, and Alibaba Cloud. Who truly rules the cloud? Let's find out. Our journey begins with the undisputed market leader, Amazon Web Services, or AWS. Born from the massive infrastructure of Amazon's e-commerce empire, AWS was the pioneer, the one that first offered cloud computing as we know it. Its logo materializes, a symbol recognized by developers worldwide. Spanning the globe, its infrastructure is a vast, intricate web, holding nearly a third of the entire public cloud market. So, what makes AWS so dominant? Its strength lies in its sheer breadth and maturity. It offers an unparalleled portfolio of over 200 services, from basic compute and storage to advanced machine learning and quantum computing. If you can dream of a digital service, AWS probably has a tool for it. This extensive offering, combined with a decade-plus head start, has created a massive community, extensive documentation, and a deep talent pool. For startups and enterprises alike, it's often the default, reliable choice. However, being the king of the hill has its downsides. The sheer number of services can be overwhelming, creating a steep learning curve, and its pricing structure, while flexible, can become a complex maze. Cost management is a discipline in itself on AWS, and without careful monitoring, bills can spiral unexpectedly. Key services to know are EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for object storage, and Lambda for serverless computing. For many, AWS is the powerful, comprehensive, but sometimes costly gold standard. Next, we turn to the formidable challenger, Microsoft Azure. Leveraging its deep-rooted dominance in enterprise software, Azure has mounted an incredible campaign to capture the cloud market. Its logo pulses with corporate energy as its global map lights up, showcasing a massive footprint designed to serve businesses everywhere. Microsoft's strategy has been brilliant. Integrate, integrate, integrate. Azure's primary strength is its seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. For the millions of businesses already running on Windows Server, Office 365, and SQL Server, migrating to Azure feels like a natural extension. This hybrid cloud capability, allowing companies to blend their on-premise data centers with Azure's public cloud, is a massive draw. It offers a familiar environment and a gentle on-ramp to cloud adoption. Their security offerings are also top-tier, trusted by governments and large corporations. But Azure is not without its weaknesses. While its service portfolio is vast and growing rapidly, some newer services can feel less mature or polished compared to their AWS counterparts. The user interface, the Azure portal, has been criticized for being less intuitive at times. With a complexity that can rival AWS, its key services include Azure Virtual Machines, Blob Storage, and Azure Functions. For the corporate world, Azure presents a powerful, integrated, and hybrid-friendly alternative that's closing the gap with astonishing speed. Now, let's explore the innovator, the technology powerhouse, Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. Backed by the same infrastructure that powers Google Search, YouTube, and Gmail, GCP entered the race with a reputation for cutting-edge engineering. Its colorful logo appears, representing a fresh and modern approach. While its market share is smaller than the top two, its influence is profound, especially in specific high-tech domains. Google Cloud's strengths are rooted in its data and engineering DNA. It is a leader in containers, Kubernetes, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. Kubernetes, the open-source container orchestration system that has taken the tech world by storm, was originally developed at Google. Services like BigQuery for data warehousing and their AI platform are considered best-in-class, offering incredible performance and scalability. GCP is also known for its simple, customer-friendly pricing and a high-performance global network. The flip side, Google's historical focus on engineering over enterprise sales has been its biggest hurdle. While they are rapidly improving, their enterprise support and go-to-market strategy have lagged behind AWS and Azure, making some large traditional companies hesitant to commit. Their service catalog, while excellent in key areas, is not as broad as the competition. Key services to know are Google Compute Engine, cloud storage, and of course, the Google Kubernetes Engine. GCP is the choice for those who prioritize data, AI, and next-generation architecture. Beyond the big three, other giants carve out their own powerful niches. First, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. Known for decades as a database titan, Oracle is now making a serious play in the cloud infrastructure game. Its iconic red logo glows, symbolizing a company determined to reinvent itself. Oracle's strategy is aggressive and focused. OCI's core strength is its high-performance computing and its deep integration with Oracle's own massive database and enterprise application ecosystem. They promise better performance at a lower price point for demanding workloads, directly challenging the incumbents. Their Cloud@Customer offering, which brings their public cloud infrastructure directly into a client's data center, is a unique and compelling proposition for companies with strict data residency or latency requirements. However, Oracle was a latecomer to the cloud infrastructure party, and it shows. Its market share is still relatively small, and its portfolio of services isn't as comprehensive as the leaders. Many still associate the Oracle brand with legacy software and complex licensing, a perception they are working hard to change. Key services include OCI Compute, object storage, and of course, their flagship autonomous database. Oracle is the dark horse, focusing on raw performance and its loyal enterprise customer base. Next up, the original tech giant, IBM Cloud. With a century-long legacy in computing, IBM brings a wealth of enterprise experience to the cloud. Its legendary logo appears, a symbol of trust and stability in the corporate world. IBM Cloud has pivoted to focus on hybrid, multi-cloud environments and high-value regulated industries. IBM's primary strength is its deep expertise in serving large, complex enterprises, particularly in finance and healthcare. Following its acquisition of Red Hat, its strategy is now firmly centered on open-source solutions like OpenShift, allowing businesses to build and run applications anywhere on-premise, on IBM Cloud, or even on a competitor's cloud. This focus on hybrid and multi-cloud freedom is a major differentiator. They also have strong offerings in AI, with Watson, and in specialized areas like quantum computing. The challenge for IBM is shaking off its legacy image and competing in the fast-paced world of general-purpose cloud services. While strong in its niche, its broader platform adoption and market share are limited compared to the hyperscalers. The user experience of its platform has also faced criticism for being less streamlined than its rivals. Key services include IBM, Cloud Virtual Servers, Cloud Object Storage, and Red Hat OpenShift on IBM Cloud. IBM is the choice for enterprises seeking a trusted partner for complex hybrid cloud transformations. Finally, we look to the east at the digital behemoth Alibaba Cloud. The cloud computing arm of the Alibaba Group, it is the dominant player in China and is rapidly expanding its presence across Asia and beyond. Its vibrant logo emerges, representing the dynamism of the Asian tech market. Understanding Alibaba Cloud is key to understanding the global cloud landscape. Its greatest strength is its unrivaled position in the Asia-Pacific region, particularly in China. For any business looking to enter that massive market, Alibaba Cloud is not just an option. It's often a necessity due to its local expertise, performance, and understanding of the regulatory environment. It has deep e-commerce roots, giving it powerful capabilities in areas like digital commerce, media, and financial tech. Its primary weakness for Western companies is its relative lack of presence and brand recognition outside of Asia. While it is expanding globally, its support infrastructure and community are not as developed in North America and Europe compared to the other giants. Navigating its offerings can also be a challenge for those not familiar with the Chinese market. Key services include Elastic Compute Service, ECS, Object Storage Service, OSS, and AppSerrod for databases. Alibaba Cloud is the essential gateway to Asia's booming digital economy. So, after this whirlwind tour of the cloud titans, who is the winner? The truth is, there isn't one. The cloud war isn't a battle with a single victor, but a complex ecosystem where each provider has carved out a domain of excellence. AWS is the vast, mature superstore. Azure is the integrated enterprise powerhouse. Google Cloud is the data and AI innovator. Oracle is the high-performance database specialist. IBM is the hybrid enterprise partner. And Alibaba Cloud is the undisputed king of Asia. The right choice depends not on who is best, but on what is best for you, your specific needs, your existing technology, your team's skills, and your strategic goals. The cloud is not one size fits all. It's a universe of possibilities, and the most powerful tool is knowledge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that shapes our future.